Hi, and welcome back to this WordPress course by busyanosa.com. In this course, we are creating a simple blog. So let me go to the front page and reload. So you'll see how the post will be in the new theme that we are using. This is how the theme is. If you go to the home page, it is showing a list of the latest posts, and that's how I want it. I don't want to complicate this blog that I'm creating. I just want it to be a very simple blog whereby the homepage will show the recent posts just like this theme does by default. First of all, I have to warn you in advance that this is going to be a very long video. This is going to be a long video because I want to, for some reason, I just feel like recording the entire process whereby I will be creating posts. So this is a video you can skip. I will just be creating posts, nothing fancy. And I want to record the entire process as I do it. So let's get started on creating posts. You can feel free to skip this video because I won't be doing anything fancy. I will just be creating posts. So I've already created simple content and video links for this particular video. And I have the content here. And you will get all these resources. I will upload them for you. Of course, I will convert this into PDF files and upload them as PDF files, except for the snippets. So the snippets will contain some short codes and just sample snippet codes for anything that I will use in the course. And the sample content, this is what I will be using in this video. So if I can show you, I have these 11 posts and I've already written simple descriptions for each, just a small description and the link for the YouTube video. So these YouTube videos are from the channels I showed you. And then I also have images. Well, I don't want a situation where I've used an image and someone emails me saying the image is not mine, So I've just used some images that I use in my Instagram posts. You will get all these resources plus the images. I will upload all of this for you. And if by any chance you don't have them, you will be able to access them via busyanosa.com. So let's get started right away. And as I warned you, this is going to be a long video, so I don't mind yapping a lot because I've already told you that this is going to be a long video and you can feel free to skip to the next video. So let me create the first post. I will go into posts and let me go to all posts. I want to delete this post. So I'll just trash it. And I want to go into trash and delete permanently. Once that is done, so I will go into my content and I will copy this. So be ready for some errors here. It doesn't really matter. Right now, I will correct them as I see them. Then I want this to be, what's the title? Embed a YouTube video. So I'll just create a category. I'll add a category and I will call this YouTube. And I will add that new category. And I want to add a tag here. I will call this YouTube tips. Then I will add these two categories, these two tags, and I will add a featured image. Actually, I can just drag the file. So I will use them one at a time. Let me just start with the number one. It's not related to the post in any way. I'm just using it because if I get to post this on social media, they will use this image as the featured image. So I will set this featured image. And then I will publish the post. So I will go there. So we're in the post. In the child theme, and I will show you how the child theme will look like once I install it. So what I have done, I've removed this. I don't want this because I just find it as an interference. And as I said, this blog is a video intensive blog, meaning I want to lay focus on the video, and that's what I have done in the child theme. So once I install the child theme, you'll see how it is. For now, I just wanted to show you that this is how it appears. Of course, I would need to create some space here, but I'm not going to do that because I don't really care for how it looks like here. I'm just creating the post. So I will create the next post, add new. I will add a new category. I want to call this What's Up. And always make sure once you've uploaded an image, always make sure you optimize the image because images are also indexed. So for this one, I can say something like so you optimize this. Just use the keywords that you've used in the post. You can always come back and do this later, but I find that if you say you'll do it later, it never gets done. So as soon as you upload the image, make sure you add a title attribute and you add an alt attribute. So I'll publish this post. And if I can come back to this post and show you, forget about this spacing that is not working well here. The reason I like this theme is because it is responsive and even videos are automatically responsive. So you can see if I just keep reducing this, you can see it is very responsive, and that works automatically even for videos. And the fact that it's a free theme, it's created by the guys from Cyberchimps. You can visit them here if you install the theme, and it is also available on wordpress.org, meaning that you don't have to buy it, it's free. So I will add the new post. Add new. Now we're down to number 5. Control V. Then add category. Shopify tips. Shopify dashboard. Then I will add that featured image. We're down to number 5. I will drop that in there. I will say how to use the Shopify dashboard. And then here I can say dashboard overview video set featured image. Then I will publish. If you're new to blogging, you can create a system of how to do it successfully. For example, you can have your posts written in advance. You know the image you'll use, just write them in advance. You can even write 10 posts in advance. Then you'll come here and schedule them. Also, if you want to see that, you'll be able to see all that. I covered all of that in this course, WordPress video tutorial for the absolute beginner posts. So yeah, if you come here, you'll see everything there is about WordPress posts, WordPress categories, and WordPress tags. Just go to this course. You can search for it. Even if you search for it on Google, WordPress video tutorial for the absolute beginner. If you search for this, you'll find this on the first page of Google. WordPress video tutorial for the absolute beginner. Or you can search for it on Udemy. You just go to Udemy and you search for WordPress video tutorial for the absolute beginner. And if you want coupons, you'll go to bizanosa.com, coupons, bizanosa.com. Then up there on the menu, find a link for coupons, and you'll be able to get this course at whatever price you want it. So add new post, Control C, Control V, copy the name, put that there, add new, Windows PC, that's the category. Then I can also just add another category, Windows apps. So don't be going crazy with categories. Use categories that define the post, categories that make sense to some level. So in this case, and then anything that you need to explain further, you can use tags. For example, in this, the title is Disable and Enable Windows. So I can just use that to help me here, and I can say disabling Windows applications. I can also put something like speed up Windows boot. That's just enough for that. I will add, and then you can see I have a system of how I do this. And this is basically how I normally do it. I create a post in advance, and I come I create the post in advance, I create the thumbnail in advance, I have the content ready. So when I come to add a new post, I already have the content, I just paste it in there. I have the title, I have the thumbnail. I'll give this a title and it's called Windows Boot Speed Up. Then Alt, I will add disable Windows Startup. So you can see there's a process here. I post the content and then I add the tags, I add the categories, I give it a featured image. So if you wanted to schedule the post, you'd just come here and say, I want this post to, you can see it is 2015, so we are almost getting to the new year. I can see it's 2 days to the new year. So if you want your post to be published in next year, you will just change the date there, give it the time, and then click OK. In this case, I want this to be published immediately, so I'll just cancel that and publish. Control C. Add new post. I will paste that in there. Control V. Send campaign to a MailChimp segment. Add new category. I will call this MailChimp. Then add new category. MailChimp segmentation. I will add that as a tag. Come down here, set a featured image, and then we're down to number 7. This was MailChimp segmentation. So I'll just come here and change this, how to create a MailChimp segmentation in MailChimp. Set that as a featured image, scroll all the way up, and then publish the post. Add new. I will paste that in there. So if you get this with the errors, you can just correct them. So this seems to be another YouTube thing. So I'll just scroll down and pick YouTube. And I had something about YouTube already. There. I will add that. Set a featured image. I will bring this. We are down to number 8. 3 more to go. Just 3 more to go. Create a second YouTube channel. Create multiple YouTube channels. Set featured image. I will publish that as it is. Number 9. Add new post. how to share Instagram posts to a Facebook page. Control V. How to share your Instagram posts to Facebook page. So I will just add a new category, and I want this to be called Instagram. And down here, I want Instagram tips, mobile app tips. It's already there. So I will add these two, then come down here, add a featured image. In a future video, I will install an SEO plugin, the Yoast plugin, and I will show you how to use it. So just wait for that in the next coming videos. Before the course is over, I will install that plugin. When I get to that section on SEO. So this video is about Instagram posts. Instagram posts to a Facebook page. Share Instagram to FB page. Set featured image. If there are any spelling mistakes that you saw, please bear with them. Then I will publish the post. Let me click add new post, and we are down to number 10. Just one more to go. Control C, Control V. If you've been watching all along, congratulations to you. You're doing a good job because you're learning new things. You're learning as you go. So I don't have anything on cPanel. So this sounds good with web hosting. I want to go even more specific with cPanel. I like to keep them in small letters, all of them. And then I will add a tag, cPanel web hosting tips. Then I will add cPanel tutorials. I will add that, and then the second last image, which is number 10. There, you'll get all these images. They will be free for download via bizanosa.com. I will provide the links, so make sure you go to that specific link because I will not add it on my menu. I'll provide the link specifically to you so that you can go to that link and you will be able to download all these files, all these images, and you can use them as you will, as long as you do not edit them. Just use them as they are. This was about cPanel, so I will call this the title cPanel web hosting tutorial. Edit your web page on cPanel. I will set the featured image. And then I will publish this. We are on to the final post. And if you've been watching all along, you're doing great, and I hope and believe that you're learning a lot. So I will paste this in here. So once I'm done with this video, I will be recording the next one tomorrow morning. So if you hear any noises in the background, you should know that people are starting to get up. People are now waking up, and it's the 29th of December. Most people are out of work, on holiday. I can hear dogs are barking in the background. So the next thing here is, this is under WhatsApp. So I will go and give this the I saw WhatsApp, it's here. And I will come here and I'll give this, I can just choose it from here or there. So you can choose from here, and you can see these are the most used. I will select it. And add. So I have those two, and finally the last bit is adding an image. So we are done with all these other images. Let me add this other one. WhatsApp renewal via PayPal, and then the alt attribute, I can give it how to pay for WhatsApp via PayPal on your PC. I will set the featured image, and then I will publish the post, and with that, if I come to my home page and reload, so you can see I haven't touched anything. Let me go to the home page and show you. I did install the theme, but I haven't done anything yet to it. I've just been creating the posts, and actually I will not be really doing much to the theme in terms of design and all. I'll just install my child theme, so if you come here to the home page, you'll see this is how the posts are, and this is how I want them to be. I just want something that shows me the latest posts, nothing fancy. And in the child theme, I've removed this so it is not visible, even though I have added it, and I will always be adding it. It will not be visible here. So if I want to see this, I'll just go there, into the page, and into the posts page. So in this video, I've created 11 posts, and actually the website is live. So by tomorrow, this will all be indexed. And you can also see down here that we have the next and the previous. So you can go to next and previous. And I have also managed to export all the posts I've created. So to export, just go to Tools, Export. I've exported all the posts so that I can use them on my mockup website, where I will try to see if there's anything I need to edit on the child theme. I will use those posts so that I don't have to redo what I've done in this video. So I will see you in the next video. And in the next video, I will be uploading the child theme. So you'll see that it's quite different. It's somehow different, and I've been able to do away with this bit. So this will not be displaying in the child theme because I don't really think it's necessary. I will see you in that next video.